My name's Elisa, and I am here at the museum in the art studio, and I am joined by my friend Selena, who's working behind the camera, and she will be reading out any questions or comments y'all might have about any of our kits that were distributed, or any questions about the activity. So feel free to ask any questions throughout this workshop. If it's your first time tuning in, let us know where you're tuning in from. And if you've watched this live before, welcome back. So this week is virtual back to school week with the International Museum of Art and Science, and supported by the BBVA Foundation. Each day of this week, one of our educators is going to be going over one of the activities that was included in the kits for the different grade levels. So we gave out to K through 12th grade and also toddlers. So since today is Toddler Tuesday, we're going to be doing the frog activity that was included in your toddler's virtual back to school kit. So it's gonna look something like this when we're done. And then it's got a little party blower, so we're gonna try it out at the end. So I'm gonna tape it onto this drawing board I have, just so when people that are coming in, they can see what it is that we're gonna be doing today. So if you were able to register for a kit, if you wanna go ahead and get if you wanna get your activity with all the supplies that you'll need, that is stapled to the back of that lesson. So all the materials that we're going to use, it was all included in the kit. So if you want to take out the lesson along with the green construction paper that has the template of the frog printed on it, and also your safety scissors that were included in the kit as well. So if you were unable to register for the kit, and you would like to join us in the lesson, you're more than welcome to. So what you're going to need is a sheet of paper. If you don't have green construction paper, that's fine. You can use just a regular piece of paper like the one I have here. You're gonna need some scissors and a marker and a party blower. The Velcro piece and the Googly Eyes are optional, and so are the felt pieces that we have too. So later on I'm going to show you how to draw the template on your blank sheet of paper. And so as we're waiting for more people to be coming in and tuning in, I'm going to unpack the toddler kit that was distributed. So each grade level had different supplies that was included in their kit. So the toddler kits, they received a drawstring bag. So it either had an animal on it, or a pirate face, or a picture of the solar system. So in that drawstring bag, they had a hard pencil case and a glue stick, some jumbo crayons, a pair of safety scissors, a BBVA pen, an IMAS sticker, some facial tissues. There was a pack of construction paper, a juice box, a Frog Eyes headpiece, a little bonus gift, so those kind of vary. A science lesson, an art lesson, a seed to table activity packet, so that was based on the exhibit that we have here at the museum called Seed to Table. A McAllen Public Utilities hand sanitizer, and a coloring book provided by the McAllen Public Library, and a gift card to Raising Cane's. So we are going to read our story for today. So it's this one right here, and it's called Who's at Home? And I am reading this with the permission from Simon & Schuster Publishing Company. So it's called Who's at Home by Nancy Davis. So we're gonna see who's at home. I dozed in a cave all winter long. Who's at home? So who do you think might be in the cave? I'm a bear, and look, he's sleeping. I hide crunchy nuts in my hollow tree. Who's at home? What animal do you think eats nuts? I'm a squirrel. He's hoarding all the nuts. I curl up in a cozy burrow under the ground. Who's at home? I'm a rabbit. I nest in a tree with my big round eyes. Who is at home? I'm an owl. I build dams on the muddy banks of rivers and streams. Who's at home? What animal do you think this might be? I'm a beaver. Who's at home? We're all at home, here in the woods. So here are all the animals that we got to see. So if you like this book, it is called Who's at Home by Nancy Davis. And this one's also a good book too. It's called Dear Zoo. So if this is also another book that I would recommend as well. So this one's good too. We've read this one before. So that one's good.
All right, I see that there's some people saying that they're having a little trouble hearing. Okay. Let us know if we need to get a little bit closer. And also we have someone saying hi, Mark Cavazos.
Hey guys, good morning. Thanks for tuning in. So now we're gonna do our activity, and please let us know if I need to speak louder or something. Selena will let me know as well so I can kind of speak louder. So we're gonna start our frog activity. So if you have the kit with you, go ahead and have the baggie also that has everything that you're gonna need in it. And so those of y'all that are joining in and were unable to register for the kit, you can get just a regular sheet of paper and a marker, and we are going to draw our frog template. So it'll look something like this. I'm gonna try my best to draw it. It doesn't have to be perfect, so we'll see how it comes out. So to draw the template, you're just gonna do like one big circle, kind of a half circle, and then for the eyes, you're gonna do something like a camel's back. So it's got one hump and then another one. And there is my template. So it's not perfect, but that's okay. You're gonna cut it out anyway, so that's good. So we are gonna cut out the template. I'm gonna use the green one. So those of y'all that got the lesson in the kit, there's one of these in there. So if you wanna grab that and your safety scissors, I'm using regular scissors, and we are going to cut out the template. So as we're cutting, I'm gonna ask you all, what do you think frogs like to eat? Do you think they like to eat pizza and chicken nuggets? No, right? I'll give you a hint. There's some felt pieces that are in the baggie that you got, and there's some drawings of different kinds of insects. So those insects, I think they are a worm and a ladybug, and I believe a butterfly. So frogs like to eat different kinds of insects. So we have a Gulf Coast toad here at the museum, and she likes to eat worms and crickets. Those are her favorite foods. So now we have our template, and our next step is to, we're gonna cut a little hole here where the mouth is. So what you wanna do is kind of fold the paper a little bit above the mouth, just like that. Not completely folded, just a little bit. And you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna cut a V-shaped notch. So just not too big, just the shape of a V. So you want it big enough so that the party blower that we're gonna use later will fit through there. So once you unfold it, it makes a little X like that. So that's the way we want it. So there's that. Our next step,
is to add our googly eyes. So you should have some googly eyes in your supply kit. If you don't have a kit, you can go ahead and use the marker to draw the eyes. So let me just draw some eyes really quickly on this one. Just like that. And you can color them in. So a circle, a half circle, and then just color them in. So you look something like that. And so with the googly eyes, they have a film in the back, so they're stick-ons. So you're just gonna peel off that film and you're gonna stick them on there, just like that. So I'm gonna do both of them. And now my frog has googly eyes. There was also some extra stickers that were included in the kit as well. So what you can do is you can decorate your frog with them, or you also received a piece of paper that looks like this, and you can decorate that as well. So I have an example here of that with the stickers, like that. So you can do something like that. And I'm gonna add some stickers to the frog template. So I'm gonna use one of the little lotus flowers here, maybe put it in the corner like that, and maybe some flies, like she's trying to eat some flies there, like that. So our next step for our activity is probably the hardest step, just because it's hard to unravel the party blower. So go ahead and get out your party blower that looks like that. And you're going to grab the Velcro piece. So that looks like that also. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna turn it over and you're gonna unroll it as best as you can. Actually, this is the back part. So when you blow it out like that, it's the back part with all the strip of tape like that. And so you're going to take the Velcro piece, you're gonna take off the film, and you're gonna stick it on the back. So this is what's gonna help us try to catch all the bugs. There you go. So it'll look something like this. So now you get to stick it through the little X that we made earlier. And here is our frog. So now grab the felt pieces that are in the bag. I have 2 here, and they should be different colors with different insects on them. I'm gonna try and catch our insects. So let me try. I was able to get one earlier, so let me see if I can do it again. Did I? Almost. I'm gonna try again. Nope, not quite. But you can try it as many times as you can and try to get as many bugs as you can as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the activity, and I hope you have fun with it. Tomorrow there is going to be the Construct a Bee for grade levels K through 2nd. So if you all have older kids at home that received those kits, they're going to be doing that activity tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will tune in, and we will see you all for the next Toddler Tuesday next month. So in a couple more weeks. Bye, thank you.